Last time I showed you something that almost never happens on this channel. A recipe that looked absolutely perfect and tasted completely wrong. The allulose turned bitter the moment it hit high heat. The problem was never the cottage cheese, it was never the lemon. It was the heat. So I went back to the kitchen. Same ingredient, same sweetener, one fundamental change. No oven, no high heat, no bitterness. And before we get to the fix, I need to show you something about allulose that most people have never seen. Most no-bake recipes never apply heat at all. This one does, deliberately. Raw panko pressed into a pan with butter never fully bonds without heat. Within hours, your bar is sitting on a soggy foundation. Toasting fixes that. Watch the color. If yours is white, you want it to go to pale gold or to a deep amber. That color change is the Maillard reaction, the same chemistry that browns bread and caramelizes a crust. Here it's working in your favor, building flavor and driving out moisture. The moment it smells toasted, pull it. The pan stays hot. It will keep cooking if you leave it in. In the sugar alternatives on this shelf, not one of them was allulose. Allulose is a rare sugar, a C3 epimer of fructose. It looks like sugar, it measures like sugar. It's about 70% is sweet, but your body doesn't metabolize it the way it metabolizes regular sugar. Look at the label. It has its own line, listed separately, under total carbohydrates. It's not counted as total sugars. It's not counted as added sugars, 8 grams per serving. Cold application only. That's the standard. If you want to understand why the allulose turned bitter in the first place, that video's right here. And if this is your first time on the channel, please consider subscribing. Every ingredient, every decision, backed by evidence.